guys, welcome back to Keto Kicks. Today we're going to be making a keto vegetable slice, which is an ideal accompaniment for all your keto meat dishes, or you can just eat it on its own. Let's get started.
Hey Ross, sauce it up.
So my recipe is for 4 people, but you can adjust the amounts accordingly for how many people you're cooking for. So what we use is some cauliflower, some Brussels sprouts and some spring onions. For your fats, I've got some cream cheese, full fat cream cheese, some Edam slices and some mozzarella slices, but you can pretty much use what cheese you want, and you can use grated or whole cheese, cut it up. I've got some paprika, some garlic salt and some Himalayan pink salt. Firstly, roughly chop your vegetables. I'm using half a cauliflower and about 10 Brussels. Add some salt and bring to the boil. Next, we're going to roughly chop some spring onions. Once the vegetables are softened, drain them. Bear in mind that they're going to be cooked again in the oven, so don't let them get too soft. Next, in a small saucepan, add 8 ounces of cream cheese. Heat until soft and add a teaspoon of garlic salt. Next, lightly crush the vegetables and add the cream cheese mixture. Stir until lightly covered and add the spring onions. Add some salt and pepper to taste. I'm using a loaf tin which I'm lining with greaseproof paper, but you can use any tin of your choice. Put half the mixture into the tin. Top with a layer of cheese of your choice. I'm using Edam. Fill the tin with the remaining mixture and add another layer of cheese. I'm using mozzarella here. Next, sprinkle the top with paprika. Pop in a hot oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Once the cheese has melted and the top is golden brown, it's ready to enjoy. My recipe is for 3 people, but you can adjust the amounts accordingly. This is a perfect keto side dish which goes well with meat or fish, or alternatively, you can serve it as a main course. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching this week's recipe. Don't forget, like, subscribe and comment below what you'd like to see next on Keto Kicks. See ya!